In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a document in Pandadoc. First, let's start by opening the document you want to work on. Once you're logged into your Pandadoc account, head over to the Documents section. This is where all of your drafts, sent documents, and templates are stored. Take a moment to locate the specific document you want to edit. You can use the search bar or scroll through the list, and then simply click on the document's name to open it in the editor. When the document opens, you'll see it laid out on the main canvas. From here, you can begin modifying the content. Pandadoc is designed to be very visual and interactive, so you can click directly on any text block, image block, or table block to make changes. For text, just click into the area you want to edit and start typing or deleting as needed, much like you would in a word processor. For images, click on the image block to replace it, resize it, or adjust its position. If you have tables in your document, select the table block to edit the text inside cells, add or remove rows and columns, or adjust formatting to keep everything clear and organized. Next, let's look at managing fields, which is especially important for documents that need signatures or information from other people. In the editor, you'll see fields such as signature fields or text fields placed throughout the document. If you need to reposition one, just click and drag it to a new location. This drag and drop behavior makes it easy to refine your layout so everything appears exactly where you want it. If you need to change who is responsible for a particular field, click on that field to bring up the floating toolbar. From there, you can reassign the field to a different recipient. This is useful if you've added a new signer, changed roles, or realized a field should belong to someone else. Take a moment to double-check that each field is assigned to the correct person before you send the document out. As you work, you don't need to worry about losing your progress. The Pandadoc editor automatically saves your changes in the background. This means every time you adjust text, move a field, or update an image, your edits are stored without you having to click a save button. Still, it's a good habit to pause occasionally and confirm that everything looks right before you close the tab or move on. And that's it. By opening your document, modifying the content, managing your fields, and relying on autosave, you can quickly and confidently edit any document in Pandadoc.